Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander 2.2 DI-D GX3 4WD, a practical and efficient 7-seater SUV designed for comfort, versatility, and capability. Finished in white with a cloth interior, it is perfect for family adventures. From the side, the 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and roof bars enhance its rugged appeal, making it ideal for long trips with extra storage options. At the rear, the Outlander comes with sleek LED taillights, a subtle spoiler, ensuring convenience and a premium design. Powered by a 2.2-liter diesel engine, the Outlander offers strong performance with excellent fuel efficiency. The 4WD system provides enhanced traction and stability, perfect for various terrains. The Outlander GX3 features a dynamic grille, sharp LED daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it a bold road presence. Step inside to a spacious cabin with premium cloth seats and adjustable lumbar support for comfort. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features cruise control and audio controls for easy driving. The center console includes a user-friendly infotainment system, climate controls, and storage compartments, while dual-zone climate control, electric folding mirrors, and keyless start add convenience. The 7-seater configuration ensures ample space for passengers. The foldable rear seats allow flexible storage options to accommodate additional cargo. The Outlander offers a large boot capacity, perfect for family road trips, shopping, or outdoor adventures. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161-399-1629. Quote registration CN16NTG to book a test drive or request a video tour.